both are pi is 3.14 or as given in the exam. Okay, so start. Volume equals to outer minus inner, 2 upon 3 into pi into r cube, capital R cube, 5.25 cube minus 5 cube. We have taken 2 upon 3 pi common over here. So quite simple, 2 upon 3 into pi is what? 3.14 into this 5.25 cube. Now this is a difficult part. That's why I always say follow Vedic maths. Vedic maths gives you very fast calculations, and we have separate videos for those. I have separately prepared those. Go behind that. Okay. So you'll say how the cube of 5.25 be 144.7. See here, it's a huge number, 144.703125, but we are not concerned with these numbers. Okay, so that's a 144.7. So solve this, you get 41.25 cm cube. That is the required metal, volume of the metal for making this hemisphere. Next, the height of a cone is 30 centimeters. A small cone is cut off at the top by plane parallel to the base. If its volume is volume be 1/27th of the volume of the original given cone, then at what height above the base is the section made? It means, see, this is a cone, right, and I take a knife and cut it from here. Now the volume of this upper part is 1/27th of the total volume. Now I want to find what is the h from top. Okay, this is what we have to find. In fact, above the base is asked, so this h is not asked, this remaining height is asked. Okay, anyways, if you find one, other is simple. Okay, so what is given? V small equals to 1 upon 27th V big, right? V small, this small and big. Okay, now it's clear. V small equals to 1/27th of V big. So we have to find both. So 1 upon 3 into pi r square h. Volume of cone is what? 1 upon 3 into pi r square h. This is small r now, for smaller, and for bigger it is. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.